Okie doke. Here is a new Freewing L39 Albatross. Beautiful plane. I made a battery cartridge system for it. And I'm going to do a reverse install and then I'm going to install it. So this is how the plane comes stock, with this battery plate here that you put your Velcro through. And you know, generally it's a workable situation, but my cartridge system just makes it a little bit more convenient. So it sits in there with 6 screws. Take 6 screws out. Mine installs with 4 screws. This is the battery cartridge deck. It fits in there thusly. Nothing to be done. I would recommend that you tape your wires down to the opposite side of the gate slots. Only because it's going to keep, you know, wear down on your servo wires. And I taped it at the back of the cockpit back here. So plop it in there. First of all, you got to build it. I'll do a build video of it here quickly. Plop it in there just like it came out. On with screws. Supplied in the kit. The tricky thing here is getting the screws just down tight enough to where you're not changing the geometry of the deck. Okie doke. Little underway modification. So I was concerned that it would add a little bit of error or factor of error screwing down the screws and changing the geometry of the deck. So what I did is add these little spacers in the kit to keep you on the straight and narrow, as it were. So they're going to go down, and there's going to be support all the way around the screw, so it's not going to change the geometry here. So goes the thought. Let's see if that works. I don't know if I guess this is part of the install video. Oh, that sat down nice. Oh yeah. Good idea to keep your drill on the lowest torque setting possible when working with this kind of stuff. So, let's see if that did anything for... Oh! That's way better. If I do say so myself. There we go. Good, no issues. Blair will be jazzed about that. We need to do something about those wires, moving those back, but I'm set to take this back to him at noon today. There we go. This is totally in the white. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye. I feel free. I feel free.